recently, I've had the idea of searching the bakeries around my house because I was thinking of making a custom cake for something completely different. So a cake that I'm going to design myself on my iPad. I'm going to make a drawing and I'm going to ask 2 different bakeries to recreate it. One of the bakeries is going to be a 5-star bakery that I've seen some of their work and it's incredible and it's expensive. Now the other bakery, let's just say that they do things a little bit more on a budget. For this first bakery, the estimate for the cake that I want to make is around $200, and these are the photos of some of the cakes they've made, and these honestly are truly incredible. Like if you see all these photos, all of them look like so perfect and just kind of realistic. Like that's beautiful. Like why do I want to get married as soon as I look at that? Like I don't even know what that is, but I not only I want to eat it, but I also want to put it in my bedside table. Wow, that's weird. I understand that the budget for this will probably around $200, and I think if you guys ever worked with birthday cakes, wedding cakes, anything that is custom, it is very expensive. For this other bakery, which I think the cakes don't look as great, the estimate quote is for around $50 for the cake. And these are some of the photos that they have on their website, so I'm assuming this is some of their best work. So this is supposed to be my sleep paralysis demon. I don't want to be mean, like I can't make cakes, I can't cook, like I'm honestly the worst, but I mean if this was my birthday, I'd rather not have a party. I'd rather go to Chuck E. Cheese and just get pizza. I don't want to be mean, I'm not going to put these people's name anywhere, but I mean, so let's carry on and see what other work they've done. Someone call pest control. Obviously I'm joking, but this actually is a lot of work. This one actually isn't even that bad. So there is a possibility that these people are going to nail this cake. So let's see the last photo they had on their website for the cake, and you can walk a mile in this Louboutin. It's not that bad. It's mostly that it's a little bit wonky. I think what's really killing me in this one that I think is like is the writing on it. So I really want to add some writing to my cake because this honestly looks like it was done with a Sharpie. It could be that it's going to be everything, and like for $50 we can't expect that much. I mean, you're not paying a premium service for a cake, a custom cake. So this is the exciting part because we're going to make our custom cake, and in order for this to be completely fair, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw exactly what I want, and the only type of communication I'm going to have with these 2 bakeries is sending them the photo of what I want. I'm not the best at drawing, so bear with me. Wow. Hello. One thing that I've decided is that I want to make a 2-layer cake. I'm gonna try to do this as best as I can. Oh boy. So this will be our 2nd layer of the cake. And I really don't want to make this a fully like traditional cake. So what I was thinking is I want to pick 2 colors that are not conventional at all. So I think for the top layer of the cake, we should do it in blue. I've got way too much power right now. I want to do kind of like a medium like gray, like not fully black. So I'm thinking it would be really cool if we put a trash can on top. Oops, that's not my best trash can. I should have experience. This might be kind of random, but I was thinking we could do like trash, sort of. So this is supposed to be a banana. I thought we could do like trash just falling like all over the cake. So like just literally packages, maybe like a juice box here. I'm actually expecting both bakeries to be good at this because it's trash, like it's nothing too specific. Like I feel like this is not, it's not like my face on a cake where they can mess up like doing something that it'll be so obvious. Alright, to me this looks incredible. I feel like it's not too complicated, but also enough for them to show their skills. The very last request that I'm gonna ask for my cake is that I want some writing on it, because writing is the thing that either makes or ruins a cake. So I'm gonna ask them to write the word, oops, trash. I want it to be in pink glitter. I wonder what they think when they receive the order. They're definitely gonna ask for a deposit. So I'm just gonna add this like, well, my attempt at making glitter is honestly an effort. So that is the official design for my cake. Next time I see you guys, I am about to show you the 5-star, the expensive $200 cake versus the $50 cake. Please someone tell me that I didn't waste money on 2 terrible cakes. So these 2 boxes right here are the 1-star and the 5-star rated cakes. I haven't seen it. My friend picked it up. She knows exactly which one is which. So I'm gonna close my eyes and we are going to start with the 5-star cake. And this cake is the one that cost $200 around. It was 170 pounds to be precise. Yeah. Don't destroy the cake.
I won't.
Don't let it slip.
You will die.
Oh my god, that sounds so heavy.
It's so big.
Okay, I'm gonna look away.
Yeah, don't look. 1 sec.
I wanna look so badly.
No, don't look. Wait.
Is it here?
Yeah. Yeah.
I can feel the presence.
Oh my god.
Should I look
at your reaction.
So this is the 5-star cake.
This is the 5-star cake.
Oh my god, it's got flies! Like me when I don't shower. Oh my god.
Iconic.
Are you kidding me? Is this the 5-star one?
This is the 5-star one.
How do they even make that? Also, I wonder what they taste like. We should do like a taste test.
Wow, this is so iconic.
Holy... Are you kidding me? It's huge. I'm being serious when I say that I honestly don't feel like I've wasted money. I feel like someone put a lot of work and effort into this. It is a good solid cake. Like, it's pretty much perfect. It's got like a few like lines here and there. But look, they airbrushed it. I've seen cake walls. So for the trash, they did like edible paper. Is this actually edible? If I had some criticism, it would be that it doesn't have enough trash, right?
It's a cute trash. That's how my ex would describe it.
The flies, it makes the cake. Like, that actually is like it. If it wasn't for this, like, look how they fly around. And then the writing saying trash. Okay, it's not great. I did say that the writing would be, yeah. It's giving me serious Trisha Paytas vibes. I know everyone is going to say that it's because I spent so much money on this, but I'm actually not disappointed. Also, I just realized that I literally don't have a single person to invite to come and eat the cake. I think it'll be very interesting to see what someone can do with $50. Like, that's 4 times less.
Shook me.
All right.
Oh my god, no. Wait, it's okay. It's okay. Are you ready?
Am I ready? Are you ready? Oh, wait. What did you even do? How did you even drop it?
I don't want to talk about this.
It's huge.
Okay, so this is the 1-star.
That feels nice. Okay, can I go for it?
Yeah.
So this is the 1-star cake that it was a lot cheaper.
Wait, why? They switched the colors.
Oh my god. Okay. Wow, that's interesting. I mean, I can see the price difference. Like, to me, this is crazy, right? This is like, this could be on a TV show. This one is more like, why does he have wet on it?
Wait, because I dropped it.
Oh, is that dish soap? Are you kidding me?
I'm sorry. Oh shit.
It's got bubbles on it. You're really sending this to the trash. They kind of did what I wanted, which was the trash can on top, and then the colors were actually a way more accurate representation of what I wanted. But also, this is like a 3D cake. This is still good for the money that I paid for it. I do think the writing saying trash, I prefer this one than this one, but that is the only thing in this cake that I prefer. They actually put the lid on top with all the trash and everything. I looked at the camera and I literally saw 3 different types of trash just standing next to each other. Like, the details on the trash can, it's not perfect, that's for sure. Like, you can see, like, you can literally see the marks of someone making it. That's the thing, every time you see a TV show in which they get like a 3D cake, they always cut into it and I'm like, you psychopath. I physically actually don't think I can cut into it. They did more of what I wanted, which was a trash can on top. They did something else. Like, I did not ask for this, but I think this is a lot better than what I wanted originally. This is actually what I wanted, but I didn't have, what is that word? Vernacular? Vernacular? Hey Siri, what is the meaning of vernacular?
Binocular means. Adapted for or using both eyes.
Using both eyes? With 2 cakes in front of me, I'm using 2 eyes, 1 on each, and nobody else going as slice. I can't believe I didn't even mention this. I did not ask for any specific flavor. I asked both bakeries to surprise me with their best flavor. So, what is it gonna be? I think we should start with this one. Should we zoom in on the cake? So, we're gonna start with...
Like this?
So the first thing we're gonna find out is what is the trash can made of? If it's a solid block of fondant. That's an eating challenge. Oh my god, it's a solid block of black. Honestly, that looks like the $50 alone. It would also be great if this wasn't covered in dish soap, so thanks for that. The whole thing is edible. This is really well made. Like, I know we were trying to drag them in the beginning of the video, but they're gonna drag us. Are you kidding me? It's like a Victoria sponge, like, is that like strawberry jam? Oh my god, smell that. Just look at this. Like, that is a beautiful piece of cake. Budget-wise, I mean, they can do this. I'm gonna have to call them and give them a bigger tip. I always wanted to do this.
Taylor Swift too.
Oh, that felt so good.
Is it chocolate?
Oh, it's chocolate. I did ask them to surprise me. They did. Oh my god. They're very similar cakes. This is almost like a fudge. Do you see how dense it is? It's dense and like wet. Maybe it's because in order to like hold shape, but the whole thing is 100% edible. I do wonder if it's going to taste nice. It's literally chocolate with chocolate, so it's like a double chocolate cake. I don't think there's enough stars to top this one up, at least on the inside. It's like a metaphor for me, like trash on the outside. No, actually, it's nothing like me. I think I'm more sad about this one, so that goes to show why this one is actually the superior cake, because I'm honestly feeling like, is this even worth cutting into it?
It's edible. Fuck.
Is it edible?
Yeah.
No, that's cardboard.
No, it is edible if you take that cardboard.
Oh, it's so nice and soft. Oh my god, it's even got a layer. It feels like literally the same cake. Like, this one's a little bit darker and richer, but consistency wise, it's like tough. Touch it. Wait, how do we do that? There's like a stone in here. This is so tragic, but we're going to cut into the trash can. When you copy each other's homework. Are you kidding me? Show me the other one. I didn't ask for this. I didn't specify anything. It literally looks like the same cake, right? Now, if the bottom of the cake is made of chocolate, conspiracy theory. That's crazy. I swear, I did not ask for any.
That is crazy.
Wow. Look at the amount of sticks running through this cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Assuming another one here.
What was it holding?
Like, it's literally impossible to slice this evenly. Wow. So this... Oh my god, these are the same cakes. Can I see the other one? I think the sauce is different in this one, right? So here's the difference between the two cakes. Okay, so this one is slightly different. Okay, I'm not so convinced that this was from the same place. It's kind of annoying. This one is full of sticks. Like, it's got sticks in both parts of the cake. And it would honestly be impossible to slice unless... I don't even know, how would you remove these? Like, you wouldn't even be able to tell which one is which. So this one is the most expensive 5-star. This one is the 1-star one. Texture-wise, they look the same, but only flavor can tell. So I'm gonna start with the 1-star cake, the Victoria Sponge one. Wow. I don't know if it tastes exactly homemade, and that could be my only criticism of it, but like, that's a good cake. Like, the cream on it, it's really good. The texture of the cake is definitely really dense. It feels a little bit like those cakes that you buy in the supermarket, but like, not in a bad way, in a good way. I love those cakes. So this is the chocolate one. Jesus. Mmm. The cream is so buttery. Mmm. This is gonna be so difficult to top. We're gonna move on to the most expensive one. The only thing I'm gonna say about the chocolate one, it's really good, but it doesn't have that much of a chocolate flavor, and I'm assuming that's why this one is way lighter than the most expensive one. So we're gonna start with this one now. Okay, this one is a lot fluffier. Like, if you guys can see, like a lot. This one is almost falls apart. It's difficult. I actually can't do it. I'm gonna have to use my hands for this. Why is it crunchy? Did you like that one?
I didn't try that one.
It literally falls apart, but it's so dry.
Ew. Mm-mm.
This one tastes like crunchy chicken eggs. It tastes like eggshells.
I prefer that one.
Well, it definitely tastes homemade. And honestly, you can taste the chicken's ass.
You'll die. That's so good.
Oh my god, that's so much better.
So much better.
Wow. What even is it? It's vanilla and like caramel?
Try the outside bit.
I don't like frosting.
Try.
Okay. Psycho. I think this is very anticlimactic, but final conclusion to this video, in my opinion, is you kind of get what you pay for. Like, in terms of like the amount of cake and how cool it looks, I feel like the first one, the 5-star one, it definitely looked the part. It looked like it was the most expensive one. And then, fine, I didn't love the sponge one, but I did love the chocolate one. Like, it felt like so nice and like, it tasted bougie, if that makes sense. Like, it tasted like good, expensive ingredients. So much chocolate, so much cocoa powder. Like, I honestly love that. And I also love the way the cake looked. It feels, to me at least, that it was worth how much I paid for it. In a way, this was us celebrating a year of being trash. We got 2 cakes that I need to figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find someone to share this with. Maybe, can you donate something that has a few slices of it? I've got frosting all over my hands, and it's making me feel really weird, but I just want to say, guys, that if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and switch my notifications on, but only do it if you actually enjoy the video. Like, if you didn't, then it's fine. Then I make different content, you might enjoy that. And if you'd like me to do this again, maybe next time we could order like a savory dish from a 1-star versus a 5-star like restaurant, maybe a custom like menu. That would be fun. So if you'd like to see that, you guys know, if you give the video a like, it's a really easy way to let me know that you're interested. And if not, then it's also fine, we'll do something else. I love you guys. I hope you guys had fun. I've been having so much fun. I feel like the videos have been truly weird recently. So I love you guys. I hope you had fun, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.